Welcome to the future of real-world operations and maintenance. Introducing the EON Performance Assistant, a blend of AI and augmented reality that's set to revolutionize how we work. What is the EON Performance Assistant? It's EON's flagship tool, merging AI's intelligence with immersive real-world guidance. Designed to optimize product performance, maintenance, and repair, it's the assistant you've always wished for. Key features include contextual real-world guidance, avatar-based visual assistance, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Imagine having on-the-spot support, real-time directions, and detailed product information all in one place. The benefits? Long-lasting and optimally functioning products, a deeper intuitive understanding of processes, and say goodbye to bulky manuals and external support. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. But what truly sets it apart? Its adaptability to different environments, regular content updates, and a commitment to security and confidentiality. Imagine a technician at a manufacturing plant. A machine malfunctions. Instead of wasting time on manuals, they activate the performance assistant. The result? Quick diagnostics, clear instructions, and minimal disruptions. In aerospace, engineers receive real-time assembly guidance. This reduces errors, ensures safety, and speeds up the assembly process. For energy sectors, think of technicians maintaining a wind turbine. With our assistant, they get step-by-step guidance, ensuring safety and reducing downtime. In healthcare, medical professionals receive guidance on new devices, ensuring patient safety and efficient procedures. Security personnel setting up surveillance, they get real-time guidance, ensuring optimal coverage and enhanced security. Tour guides can now enhance tours with augmented reality overlays, making history come alive for tourists. And for the everyday user setting up a home entertainment system, the Performance Assistant ensures optimal performance and user satisfaction. In summary, the EON Performance Assistant is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It embodies EON's vision of blending human expertise with cutting-edge technology, empowering professionals across industries. Welcome to the future with EON.